Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the Angular. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So Angular change detection system. Overview of for the mark-for-check, detectChanges, detach, reattach and the OnPush strategy. So first, that is change detection overview. Angular change detection updates the DOM when the data changes. Key functions and the strategies help to manage performance and the control updates. So first one, that is mark-for-check. Used with OnPush strategy, marks components and the ancestors for checking. Useful when the data changes outside the Angular zone. Example, set timeout and the subscription. So this is how you can just call this for CDRF mark-for-check. Next one, that is detect changes, immediately trigger change detection. Applies to the current component and its children. Useful for the manual view updates. So here you can see that whenever you when you have functionality like update now, so in that case you can use that. Detach and the reattach. Detach removes the component from the chain detection tree. Reattach adds back, useful for the performance optimization. Change detection strategy default Angular check all the components. On push, if you put that the change detection to be on push, checks only when the input changes, events or the manual triggers, increases performances by skipping the stable components. So this is a flow diagram for that. That is change detection, mark-for-check, detect changes. We are using detach, reattach, change detection strategy and the on push. So this is the detection flow chart for the Angular. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.